If you're on the hunt for an automatic cat water bowl, check out this one. We've been using this one for a few days now and I love it, and I want to show you some of my favorite features about it. Inside the box, you'll open it up, you'll get your bowl, and you will get charger. It's a USB-C charger. You'll get 3 filters, and I'll show you all the cool features on it. So here is our fountain, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. First things first, we have our bin down here, which holds 4.5 liters of water, which is great. That's going to keep your cats fed for about up to 2 weeks, I would say. And you've got a minimum line and a maximum line here. This clear basin, make sure you know how much water is in there at all times. There is a filter right here, which you would reach underneath. There's a little lever, you'll pull the filter out. It came with 3 filters, and I'll show you how you know when you need to replace that here in a second. We've got this basin on the top, which you can pop out to clean, which I love, so we can keep that nice and clean. Let's pop this back in here. Here is the actual pump. We have suction cups here at the bottom to make it stick down in the bottom of the basin really well so it's not floating up. This part right here is where the water actually comes out, so you would just pop this back on here. Here are all the different modes. We've got our power button, and I'll show you all these different modes once we turn it on. So we're gonna put this in here. I'm just gonna push it down, and I'm gonna turn it on, and I have this on sensor mode. This is the sensor right here. So when your cats come up to it, it will start to flow. So it senses me here, and the water is flowing. You can change to different modes. If you press the power button one time, you get the timer, which is more of just an intermittent. It will come on and come off, come on and come off. And then you have standard mode, which is just constant. It will just constantly flow. And then you have this button right here that says replace filter, and this is what you're gonna use. It's gonna illuminate when it is time for you to replace the filter. So you can keep track of that so easily and keep the cat's water nice and clean. This is a really cool idea that it is rechargeable with a USB-C, so you can move it all over your house wherever you need to. The charge lasts on it a good 30 days, so if you need to go on a short-term trip, this is great because we can keep enough water in here and keep it flowing and filtered and clean while you're gone. I think this is just a great option for you, especially if you do a lot of traveling. But if you just like your cats to have nice, clean, filtered water at the same time, this is really great for that as well. So the filter has censored my cat there. And as you can tell, it is so quiet. You cannot even tell that it's running other than the slight trickle sound of water. So that is so relaxing. And my cat can be kind of a scaredy cat, and she's not afraid of it at all. So we love it. It's a great option.